Okay, so we can start. And the next interesting text is the rainforest children. Yes, and you know this text. And the rainforest children. And I tell you again what you need to do. You just need to understand what I say and repeat what I say. And later I ask you questions about this text. So we can start. The rainforest children. John Allen is 43 years old. John Allen is 43 years old. John Allen is 43 years old. And he has 4 children. 2 daughters and 2 sons. John is a plant scientist. And he lives with 3 of his children. And he lives with 3 of his children. In the South American rainforest. Their house is a group of tents near the river Orinoco and Venezuela. John's wife and one of his daughters prefer to live in London. John's children don't go to school. Because John is their teacher. He teaches them everything he knows. He teaches them everything he knows. He teaches them everything he knows. Including how to survive in South America. In South America. Survive. Survive. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. You got it? Survive. Survive. Okay. The children don't know how to use a PlayStation. The children don't know how to use a PlayStation. No, don't know. Don't know. Like, do you know? No, I don't know. How to use a PlayStation. The children don't know how to use a PlayStation, but they can all drive. But they can all drive. But they can all drive. They don't know how to use PlayStation, but they can all drive. Even his 9-year-old son, Simon. His 9-year-old son Simon. His 9-year-old. His 9-year-old son Simon. Even he can drive. Yes, exactly. At night, they drive their car "50 yards from the kitchen tent to the bedroom tent, because there are a lot of wild animals in the area." There are a lot of wild animals in the area. At night, they drive their car 50 yards from the kitchen tent to the bedroom tent, because there are a lot of wild animals. Yes, very good. They spend their free time they spend their free time playing and reading books. And in the evening, they listen to the news on the radio. They don't have a TV or CD player. In the summer, the children's friends come from London to visit. Come from London to visit. When they go home, they tell their parents incredible stories of their vacation in the Venezuelan rainforest. Venezuelan rainforest.